family medicine physician. I'm the founder and medical director here at Inspire Primary Care. In the community, people have been asking me, am I a good fit for your practice? How do I know if concierge-style, membership-style healthcare is right for me? So that's what we're going to talk about today. Top 5 reasons to upgrade to the concierge-style primary care experience. I want to answer the questions that are commonly asked. If you're joining, as always, drop in the chat. Where are you joining from? I love to know where you're joining from. Of course, I'm coming live here from Inspire Primary Care. We are a concierge-style membership medical practice in the Las Vegas Valley, and we are committed to providing the 5-star quality healthcare experience to busy professionals, families, and businesses throughout the Las Vegas Valley. We specialize in high-quality, wellness-focused primary care that helps our members to prevent and reverse chronic diseases and to transition to and maintain a healthy lifestyle and a healthy weight. I'm super excited to chat about this. I see some of you all joining, so drop in the chat where you're joining from. And if you have any questions, drop them below about Inspire Primary Care, how our practice works. I'm happy to answer your questions. Okay, here we go. Top 5 reasons to upgrade to the concierge-style primary care experience. So you're wondering, am I a good fit? And you're also wondering, I've been getting this a lot, are you still enrolling new members? Yes, if you're looking for high quality primary care, you're a busy professional, you have a family, you're a business owner with a team, we'd love to care for you. We are now enrolling new members at inspireprimarycare.com. No I in front of Inspire. So let's go over the top 5 things, okay? Number 1, reason, if you are thinking, is concierge style healthcare right for me? Number 1 thing is that we are a wellness focused healthcare model. And if that is important to you and if that's something you value, then this is definitely a good fit for you. What that means is in the traditional insurance-based primary care office, doctors are required to be in and out of the room within 5 to 8 minutes because that is a volumes business model, right? So a doctor, even really great doctors, typically only have time to hear what your top 1 to 2 complaints are or concerns are and give you a quick pill or a referral because they have to get in and out of the room quickly, right? That becomes what we call the sick care model instead of the health care model. So by removing insurance from the primary care office, we're now able to actually focus on healthcare, on wellness, looking at the root cause of what's going on, looking at the lifestyle aspects, your nutrition, your sleep. Here we do wellness visits. We do our inspired health method with our personalized wellness plans with our members. We're looking at what evidence-based supplements may be helpful for our members. So we're not just jumping straight to a pill. We're not just jumping straight to referrals. We're really looking at a wellness-focused preventative lifestyle medicine based approach to look at the whole person and help with healthcare needs. Okay. So a wellness focused approach, if that is something you're passionate about and desiring in your healthcare experience, then you would definitely get that here at Inspire Primary Care. Number two reason to consider upgrading to the VIP style, concierge style healthcare experience here is if you value having the same doctor and the same healthcare team every time. So a lot of things I hear in the community is, I joined a practice through my insurance, and every time I go to the doctor, 1, I don't know who my primary care doctor is, or 2, every time I go, it's a different doctor, or the doctor I really liked has quit and moved on, or moved out of state, or no longer with us, and I keep seeing different people. Or the doctor I really like and my doctor, I can't get in with them, so I have to wait months, or I have to see somebody else just to be seen in a reasonable amount of time. These are all of the common things we're hearing, especially in Las Vegas, where we're a medical desert, where there's very few primary care physicians compared to the population. So same doctor, I'm the medical director here at Inspire Primary Care. This is my hometown, Las Vegas. So I'm not going to be, at least I don't have any plans to be going anywhere else. Okay. Unless God has a different plan. But this is where we are rooted, right? And so this is where you will see your same physician every visit. When you're texting us and emailing us and getting other healthcare questions answered between appointments, it's your same doctor and your same healthcare team. We know all of our members by name. We know what you do. We know your story. We've gotten to know you. So when you reach out to us, it's truly like caring for you like family. So if you value seeing the same physician and the same healthcare team and being taken care of by people who know you well and then you value that continuity of care, this is definitely a healthcare model that you will value, because of the rushed stigma and all of the rushed protocols, I should say, of the insurance-based office. It typically is a more high turnover environment for physicians, and that is why you will usually see a different doctor every time, because people get tired of the corporate medicine rules and being told to get in and out of the rooms, and then doctors leave, and then people are again getting more poor quality healthcare. So if you value the same doctor and the same healthcare team, definitely want to join and upgrade to the VIP healthcare experience here at Inspire Primary Care. All right, number three reason to consider upgrading to the VIP healthcare concierge style experience is the price transparency, okay? One of the most complicated things in healthcare, which should not be complicated at all, is how much things cost, okay? People don't know how much it costs. They know what their copays are. They may know what their deductibles are. But here at Inspire Primary Care, it is a membership model, meaning just like a gym membership, but for primary care is 90% of your healthcare needs. So a flat monthly or annual membership covers all of those healthcare needs on the first of the month, okay? So you don't have to think about what is things gonna cost, when is billing gonna happen, am I gonna get surprise bills, is there a copay? There's none of that. It's a one set monthly or annual membership for all of the services in our office, unlimited. So you can text as much as you need to text for your healthcare to our team, and we text you back. You can email as much as you need to. We email you back. You can schedule appointments via video, phone, or in office as much as you need to. You use it as much or as little as you need to, just like a gym membership, but for primary care. That helps with an affordable, transparent model where you're not wondering and guessing what's the copay, what's the deductible, what's the surprise bill I'm going to get in the mail. There is none of that. In addition to all of the services, right? Also, in-office procedures are included. So anything we do for procedures in the primary care office, like joint injections, pap smears, skin tag removals, ear lavages, any of that is included. No extra cost. All procedures that we do in office are also free. So that price transparency and cost savings, it really helps with keeping things that should not be complicated, uncomplicated. I see some of you all joining. If you have any questions, drop in the chat the questions, and also drop in the chat where are you joining from. We're going over the top 5 reasons to consider upgrading to the concierge-style healthcare experience, and we're answering some of the commonly asked questions through that, all right? So if you value price transparency, you like a simple pricing model and no surprise bills and no complexities, we're not waiting on the hassles of the insurance company to get things approved. We're just doing what is needed for our members to have high quality healthcare. So if you value that, then definitely consider upgrading to the VIP concierge style healthcare experience here at Inspire Primary Care. All right, number 4. I love number 4. It's the unrushed visits. Oh my gosh, the unrushed visits, man. Say that 5 times fast, okay? So the unrushed visits are so important because, like I said, in an insurance-based office, a lot of patients do not know this, and they think that, man, that doctor was rude, or that doctor didn't care, or that doctor didn't even listen to me, or that doctor just looked at me, they didn't even put the stethoscope on my chest. But what a lot of people don't understand is the business of medicine and how corporate medicine works. And I'm self-employed, so I can just let you in on the secret, right? And basically, if a doctor is employed in an insurance-based office, the insurance company only makes money through a primary care office if there is a high volume of patients booked or double booked each day, and if the doctor is getting in and out of those rooms as fast as possible. That is how they keep their doors open. We call it conveyor belt medicine. Get them in, get them out, collect the copay, and move on. That is how an insurance-based office is able to keep their doors open, right? Just because of how insurances are reimbursed in the primary care office. So a lot of times people are getting pills, referrals, getting poor quality care, and that is just because of those constraints of corporate medicine. So that is why a lot of physicians who are committed to high quality care and don't want to practice medicine in that way are leaving traditional insurance-based practices and opening membership style practices so that we can actually provide high quality, wellness-focused healthcare. All right, so in a traditional model, if I worked in a traditional insurance model, I would have to be in and out of the room within 5 to 8 minutes. That would be a requirement. That is the requirement of insurance-based physicians. Here at Inspire Primary Care, our appointments are 30 to 60 minutes. So all of our new patient appointments are an hour, and all of our follow-up appointments are 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on what you decide to book. And it's just no rushing. It's so nice as a physician to be able to sit back and start with, update me on life. How are things going? How's your mom? Is she in the hospital still? What's your new travel been like? Tell me where you've been, what's going on. Like, all of that is going to contribute to like how you're doing overall and how that affects your primary care and your healthcare, right? So I can actually get to know our members, which is really important to me. I saw one of our members out in the community yesterday, and we just gave each other a big hug, and it's like really a genuine feeling of caring for our members like family. So if that's something you value and you don't want to be rushed in appointments and you don't want to feel like you're getting rushed in and out without being heard or just being given a pill or a referral or a cookie cutter thing that every person that comes through the door is told, if you're tired of that experience and that's what you're experiencing and you're tired of that experience, then the concierge-style healthcare experience here at Inspire Primary Care would definitely be a good fit for you. As you all are joining, drop in the chat where are you joining from. And if you have any questions about Inspire Primary Care, drop them below. I'm happy to answer them. So we're going over the top 5 reasons to consider upgrading to the VIP concierge-style experience. Okay, number 5. This is my fifth and final for today's live, all right? And that is the customized care. Customized care. In corporate medicine, how I told you, in an insurance-based office, because doctors are required to get in and out of those rooms within 5 to 8 minutes, a lot of times they will give kind of like cookie cutter templates on like, if a patient has this, order this. If a patient has this, give them this pill. If a patient has this, give them this referral. Just like these kind of cookie cutter templates that will allow that system to function where doctors can get in and out of the room fast, right? Well, what we know is, first of all, patients don't always follow the book, right? And patient A and patient B may have the same healthcare complaints or even same chronic disease, but need to be managed and looked at completely different. And so we all are individuals. And so healthcare also needs to be approached in a customized fashion, right? And again, a lot of this leads back to time, right? Unrushed time for your physician to actually think through, maybe even need to look at new articles and see if there are innovations in healthcare that have come up since they've been in training. Like, all of these things require time, right? And so I pride myself here at Inspire Primary Care on us having customized healthcare experiences where people will join our weight loss program and they're like, how fast will I lose weight? And I'm like, well, let me tell you what we typically see. Let me tell you what the studies say. Let me tell you what the typical clinical experience here is at Inspire Primary Care. Let me tell you how I am estimating this will look for you based on your individual healthcare history, right? However, everything is customized to the individual, which I love having the time to do that. And it's with a 5-star experience. We're really, really keen on at least attempting to provide the 5-star healthcare experience. We're so thankful for over 75-star reviews on our Google page. Thank you to all of our members who have left a Google review. If you're an Inspire Primary Care member watching this and you haven't left a Google review, go do that. But we're really thankful for over 75-star reviews from our members. These are unsolicited reviews that our members have left because they are experiencing the 5-star experience. You may be saying, well, what is the 5-star experience? When they text us, we text them back. When they call us, we call them back. When they need us, we get them on the schedule to have an appointment. We make it flexible. We make it customized. They may see us over their lunch break on a video Zoom call. Us meaning me. We may coordinate a phone call. We make it how they need it. Or they may be like our next member who's coming in for a pap smear. They may be coming in office, right? And so having that 5-star experience where we're very customer service driven, it's really a pleasure to provide quality healthcare in the Las Vegas Valley. Again, this is my hometown. I grew up here, and growing up, I didn't experience quality healthcare in the primary care office. I just didn't. And so that became my mission to change that once I was done with my training. So it's really a pleasure to be able to provide that to my hometown. So 90% of your healthcare needs under one roof in a membership model, the 5-star concierge style experience. If you value a wellness-focused approach, the same doctor and healthcare team every time, price transparency with no surprise bills, an unrushed experience, a wellness-focused unrushed experience, and customized healthcare with a 5-star experience. If those are the things you value, then Inspire Primary Care is a great fit for you, and we'd love to care for you. We are now enrolling new primary care and medical weight loss members at inspireprimarycare.com. No I in front of Inspire. We would love to care for you. If you are a busy professional, if you are a family, if you are a business owner with a team, we would love to care for your whole team through our corporate healthcare solutions. We would love to book a corporate chat and talk about how you can offer Inspire Primary Care as a corporate membership, as a healthcare benefit to your employees and your teams. If you are watching this and you work for a local business in town and they either don't offer healthcare benefits, or the healthcare benefits they offer are some of the less quality benefits that I've already mentioned, then connect us with your employer, because we'd love to share with them how our corporate membership can really be an affordable healthcare option for their business and help keep the employees healthy and happy, and also provide them with a 5-star experience where your employer can pay for that, or at least part of that. So we're excited to connect with business owners and teams, but we're also excited to connect with busy professionals and families and continue to spread the wellness-focused healthcare model across the Las Vegas Valley and beyond. Okay. I'm looking in the chat. I'm scrolling the chat. Thank you all for watching. I see y'all watching. So y'all are kind of quiet on me today, but that's okay. That's okay. No pressure. But thank you all for joining. Those of you who are watching live, if you are watching the playback and you want to drop questions, our team will look at the playback questions and will answer those as well. You can always call or text our team. Our team is at 702-867-0017. You can go to the contact page at inspireprimarycare.com, no I in front of Inspire, and email us. We're happy to answer all of your questions. If you have one-on-one questions, we also do free meet and greets. I have one question. One brave person dropped a question today. So Richine Fields says, hello, are you hiring? So we are actually hiring for a provider position. So if you're a physician, family medicine or internal medicine physician, or if you are a nurse practitioner or a physician assistant, so an NP or a PA, we are currently interviewing for a second provider position. We have expanded our office to another space so that we can accommodate more providers. So that's exciting. Inspire Primary Care is continuing to grow our team and Team Inspire so that we can continue to provide more healthcare to more of the Valley. So yes, to answer your question, if you are an MD, DO, PA, or NP, we would love to talk to you. You can email us at info@inspireinc.com, no I in front of Inspire. And we are currently interviewing for our provider position. So we'd love to chat with you if you are in healthcare in any of those positions. So thank you for that question, Richine. And it was so nice talking to you guys today. Continue to drop the questions, you all, and I will come on and we will create content around it. I'll come on and answer them live. We really want you all to be getting the best healthcare experience here in the Valley, especially if you're in Las Vegas. So I'll see you all next time. Bye.